Let's take a look at the learning management system, specifically the word management. Management means the process of dealing with or controlling things or people. Contemporary teachers do not want to control their students, they want to help them learn. By design, the learning management system is very good at providing one thing to many students. Seeking more than just tracking assignments where lessons led to a student submitting work and receiving a grade with some feedback, I envisioned a system that enables and captures the rich dialogue between students and teachers. I aspired for a platform that echoed my classroom's collaborative spirit, where learning was just not managed through assignments, but was co-created, documented in real time, and enhanced with continuous feedback. Flipping the script on the learning management system's one thing to many students, a whole new platform needed to be built that was capable of helping teachers provide many things for one student and truly focus on personalizing learning. With this in mind, we created gotFeedback, the first learning collaboration system, fostering co-creation and documentation of learning between teachers and students. It empowers educators to personalize instruction with their own content, integrate preferred technologies, embrace their unique teaching styles, and, most importantly, meet each student's individual needs effectively. So as a classroom teacher, I developed gotFeedback, aiming to extend classroom interactions into the digital realm, fostering continuous dialogue between teachers and students. This platform captures learning evidence as it happens, guiding teachers in tailoring their instruction, all the while personalizing the educational experience, offering ongoing feedback, and leveraging generative AI for in-depth analysis of student learning. We are committed to building an accessible platform for all users and helping teachers already stretched thin to effectively and efficiently meet the needs of all their learners.
Students document the process of developing ideas. They include pictures and movies and spreadsheets of data, narrative responses, reflective responses, so much more. This provides me with much more information, not only about the product that they create, but about the process. When all I get is a final product, as I have in the past, I don't know anything about the ups and downs, challenges and excitement of designing and building a working model. gotFeedback allows me to see all of that.
In a landscape often dazzled by shiny and new versus tried and true, our mission is clear: truly help teachers personalize learning.